My name is Charlie McCoy. I'm the founder of Artisan Barber, and today we're giving you a review of the Andis Cordless Lithium-Ion Clipper. Now this clipper has 90 minutes of runtime, a powerful motor that won't drag or stall, carbon steel cutting blades, and it's cordless. My model here has a thicker texture hair. Where are you from? You're from Spain, right?
From Mallorca.
Mallorca. So I'm noticing that this machine is not getting caught up. Like its predecessor, great machine. I love my Andis Master, but this is blazing through like these panels. This hair is coming off effortlessly. And there's no hang-ups like you would hear sometimes if you hit a thick chunk with the traditional masters. You would hear a These seem to be extremely powerful. Is the hair pulling at all any? Pretty comfortable cut?
Pretty comfortable.
Very good, very good. I like these machines. We gotta get a deal with these guys. This thing is nice.